rose of thorn.
What will you leave when the years are gone? Is this the gift you're passing on?